I got something for you. Yes, totally for you, not for me. This is definitely not an impulse buy. No, I didn't come by this while I was walking around Costco, and I saw this at $4.99, basically 500. And in general, this is somewhere around 550, 600. So it was a good deal with the extended pack, with the battery pack and everything. And no, this is not an impulse buy. Again, this is just for you, just for my channel. Yeah, I bought it, DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I'm going to unbundle this and I will start using this hopefully. My plan is to put more and more videos to this channel. I don't have any expectations. The only expectation I have is to really get more feedback about my speech, about my articulation or whatever. So also it's fun. Yep, let's open this up. All right, so this one includes the 64 gigs SD card and battery handle, which is an extra battery, and then the mini tripod, and that's it. So let's tear it up. Okay, here we are. So this is the extra battery, basically battery handle. It's both a handle and a battery. Costco bundle. I don't know if you see that. Yep. Do not eat. And the Osmo Pocket itself. The mini tripod. The memory card. 64 gigs. And that's it. All right. It says in this case also it's got the protective cover, handle, wrist strap, and that's it. Normally this is sold at $5.19, $5.20 on Amazon. And basically if you buy it from Costco at this time of the year, you get the full pack for $500. It's a good deal. It was a good deal. Again, just this one is $520. All of these is $500. It's no surprise that everybody loves Costco, huh? So this comes with the protective case. Yep. And this is the machine itself. Wow. I already liked it. It's like a hand tool. Not chunky, not bulky. Basically, the majority of the device is hidden in your hand, and just this part is the camera. Wow. It's better than I envisioned. Nice. I liked it already, even without using it yet. Absolutely. Yep. There we go. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so this one is... This is the handle. Basically, this doesn't feel like a battery. It's very lightweight. So I think it's just an extender. Interesting. Okay, it's for putting on a thread. But let me see. Yes, exactly. So on the device itself, there's no thread for a tripod, but this handle is what you need so that you can put it on a tripod. Okay, it makes sense. Okay. Then we got the charging cable. And the last item is the wrist strap. Makes sense. All right. Cool, cool. Nice. So this one is the battery handle. Let's see if this one has the thread as well. Yes, sir. Very nice. It's got the tripod thread, and this is also a battery. So basically the only difference is this is not a battery, this is just an adapter piece. This is a battery and an adapter piece. Cool. Wow. And the mini tripod. Cool. And that's it. Oop. Very nice. You know what? I love it already. So let's start it now. Can I do a quick start? Here we go. English. It doesn't let me go past English. I don't know why, but it doesn't let me go past the English screen. Yep. You see, it doesn't move. Why not? Probably asks me to install this app first. Okay, let's install the app. So DJI Mimo. Okay, DJI Mimo, that's installing. Let's also put the card in. Okay, the card is in. All right. I don't know if this is a problem or not, but I downloaded the app. I got a connect code here for connecting to this device, but on this device I cannot get past the English screen. I'm not sure if this is an error or not, but seems like it is. Oh my God. Oh my God. So I didn't think that this was a touch screen. I was just playing with this joystick to change the menu, but then I noticed that it's a touch screen. I think I'm too old. Okay, English. All right, there we go. Let's start. Okay, now I got the same code. There we go. Let's connect. I don't want to log in now. Can't I just skip this? Okay, it says swipe to skip 5 times remaining. So probably you can skip this login stuff for 5 times. Haha. Here we go. So let me record my first video with this one, and okay, I'm just wanting to test the sound on this one. All right, let's record. Okay, now this one is recording. So how's the sound? Let's check the sound out. By the way, I'm a little bit regretful because I've got this Rode Wireless Pro. However, this is now a DJI, so this DJI works with its own unit pretty seamlessly, but we will see, we will see. I don't know if I will have to connect this module with the extender or whatever, so we will see that. Okay, I don't know how the sound is here, how the sound is here. I'll try to do a comparison in between, but yep, this is what I got now. Nice. If you want me to check anything on these devices, just pop it in the comments and I will try that for you. See you on the next video.